Hi all, welcome you all to the 19th module of the program School Counseling. In this module, you, the listeners, will get to know about the special skill of a school counselor, namely consultation, the associated process, and mode. At the end of this module, the listeners will be able to identify the essential skills of a counselor to apprise the specific functions of a school counselor. First of all, we should know who is a school counselor. A school counselor is the one who is employed in schools for whom the principal work is to provide academic and career counseling to the students. He or she is also responsible for enhancing the social and emotional competencies of the student. Anyone cannot become a successful counselor. They require a special skill to be a part of the counseling program. Especially dealing with students is an art and it needs a very special person with essentially relevant skills to be a school counselor. The main focus of school counselors is to help students to become successful in their academic and professional life. It could be achieved by helping the students to solve their issues related to not only their academics but also their health, personal, family, and societal problems they come across in their life. A school counselor is required to spend long hours of interacting and interfacing with the students. They also need to work with teachers, administrators, and parents. The school counselor should act or take up the roles of advocates, consultants, and guides for the students. They should also listen, analyze, document, and help the students to find and implement the ways of solving their problems related to school, family, and society. A school counselor needs to design and implement various programs and plans in the school so that the students, teachers, and the school management will be benefited. As discussed before, not every person can become a school counselor. Apart from acquiring essential academic credentials and qualifications, they also need to possess certain essential and desirable skills and qualities. Before moving on to the process of consultation in counseling, we should get oriented about the roles and responsibilities of school counselor. A counselor should perform the following functions in the school. They need to evaluate the interest and abilities of students. This can be done through various modes and means like interviews, consultation, assessments, aptitude testing, and individual analysis. There are various issues which can affect the school performance, such as poor performance in the classroom and frequent absenteeism. These are the problems that need to be identified and rectified. Students undergo lot of social pressures and encounter various problems. A counselor should help the students to identify, analyze, understand, and cope up with these social problems through classroom guidance and counseling. Students also have tendency to indulge in behavioral problems due to various reasons like peer pressure. A counselor should help the students to avoid those behavioral issues. Counseling can be done in individual and small groups on the basis of individual needs of the students as well as the collective needs of the school. A counselor should work with students to develop organizational skills, effective time management, and effective study habits. Academic achievement is the major developmental task to be achieved in students' life. A counselor should help the students to achieve the academic goals by effective planning and execution. Career planning is another aspect that need to be taken care by the school counselor. A counselor helps the students succeed in academic and personal life by collaborating with the teachers, administrators, and parents. A student faces various issues in and day out, and the school staff should be empowered to deal with the behavioral problems of students. A counselor needs to focus on educating teachers to deal with those students with behavioral problems. Record keeping is important for any process. A record serves as a source of information for the future. Maintaining records as required is the duty of the counselor. A counselor cannot work in isolation. Some issues can be sorted out in the school itself, but there are some other issues that need to be referred to external sources for further action to be taken. A person with special characteristics and desired skills can only become a successful counselor. A school counseling is not a job that is limited to certain time or persons. It's a process of helping students to come up in their academic and personal life. A student in current scenario faces a lot of issues both personally and academically. He or she needs to prove themselves academically by facing all these hurdles in life. A school counselor is a person who helps the students in their academic and personal arena to lead a problem free life. In conclusion, school counseling is a process where a person with desirable characteristics and skills spends long hours with students, parents, and school staff to help them solve their problems and issues. The prime goal of school counselor is to help the students to identify and understand the issues related to academic, health, social, personal, and family problems. The school counselor listens, documents, and helps the students process their problems, providing referrals to other resources as needed. They take up the role as guides, advocates, and consultants for students. They also design and implement programs to facilitate everyone to succeed in the school setting while preparing them for the next stage in their lives. Thank you.